Hi everyone, welcome to the course. Welcome to financial management, and how we're going to look at financial management and analysis is we're going to be really getting involved with the balance sheets and understanding the role of balance sheets and how we can make determinations from those. In this class, I want to give you a structure to what you're looking at. So let's click on the syllabus right here, and I'm going to go through some things that you'll find that are very important. Alright, here's my email address or contact information. Go some of the other things that you'll find important. Let's first go to how are you going to be graded in the course? What are the breakdowns? Midterm exam is going to be 10%. Online discussions are 20%. Homework's 20%. The final project is 30%, and the final exam is 20% of your grade. Now, here's the important part of the course. You'll notice right here, here are your problem sets that you're going to have to complete. Okay? Chapter, here's the problem, and here's the case number. So this is what you're going to be completing. Here are the due dates and the schedule right here. So Module 1, you're going to be doing discussion board number 1 and homework number 1. All of this should be completed by the 16th. But I'll break it up into two different modules you'll see on the home page. Okay? So then Module 2 will last for 2 weeks, and you'll be covering discussion board 2 and homework number 2. It'll be covering this information right here. Now let's go over what the discussion is. For the discussion, you'll notice I have a lot of information right here for you to review for how to do well in the discussions. For the discussion, we're going to be focused on the grading of discussions. Your first post in the discussion is due by Thursday. You'll earn 10 points by submitting your first post by Thursday. Your initial post is 5 points. I'm sorry, is going to be now your first post is by Thursday. That gives you 10 points. In your initial post, it's worth 20 points. That's 5 points for APA formatting, which means you need an APA formatted in-text citation and reference. 10 points for content development, and 5 points for use of economic terms. Then you have 10 points for peer responses each, so you need 2 of them. It can be to any of my posts that I post, which are a total of 20 points. So in the discussion board, really focus on the first or the initial post in your content. Now let me show you some other things with the course. So now, here's just the beginner information right here. Here is topic 1. So for topic 1, you're going to be doing discussion board number 1. Here are some weekly resources for you to review. Here's an overview right here of what we're focused on. Then here's week 2 or module 2. So you have your homework that you're going to be submitting right here. Here's the PowerPoint slides. And here's some other resources. So all of this information will be due by the 6th. So for this week, let's look at some of the principles we're going to be looking at. And we're going to be looking at Introduction to Financial Reporting. And when you look at Introduction to Financial Reporting, you're focused on GAAP analysis. And GAAP analysis are generally accepted accounting principles. And the major sources of GAAP analysis started with the Securities and Exchange Commission. And they really shot off after the economy had a lot of issues where people were doing very different manipulations of numbers. So that's where this all started. And you'll notice that GAAP analysis is very important for our economy because it's creating accountability for numbers that are being reported. And that's the key. When you look at accountability, that's going to create a lot more challenges in our economy. So these are some of the principles that we're going to be focused on. Make sure to review the syllabus to ensure that you're meeting the deadlines because no late work's accepted in the course. And if you have any questions, please send me an email as I look forward to your effort.